Good morning, Ars. Am I audible? Okay. લાસ્ટમાં કેટલા કમાન્ડ્સ જે છે એ પ્રી પ્રોસેસિંગના કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યા હતા. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, Ars. Thank you. Wait 5 minutes so other can join. Please ask your friend to join fast. Okay, I think now my screen is visible. Students, please open the Veka tool and load your both the data set, your student data set and the labor data set. Okay. Uh, Click on the Veka. I'm giving you the 5 minutes, so please load both the data set into the Veka. Click on the Explorer. Click on the Open File and just go to your directory, your data directory. I'm giving you the 5 minutes. Please load the data into the Veka. You need to add your both the data set into the Veka, your student data set as well as the labor data set. Okay. Wait 2 minutes. Please write down your status in a chat box so I can get the idea how many of you have completed. Akash, Ayush, Jill, Kausik, Parth, Rusil. Very good, Akash. Waiting for others, please reply fast. Without your loading your data, we cannot perform any practical. So please do it fast. Very good, Ayush. Last 2 minutes. Yes, very good, Kaushik. Yeah, very good, Jill. Okay, so now we can start. I think almost have done this pre-processing step. Okay, now in sorry, in last lab we discussed the our last pre-processing command is the change the date format. It is the one type of the conversion to convert your data into the one format. Okay, so how the change date format works, you just need to select your attribute index. Attribute index means કયા એટ્રીબ્યુટ ઉપર જે છે તમારું ઓપરેશન પરફોર્મ કરવું છે. જસ્ટ યુ નીડ ટુ પ્રોવાઈડ ધ ઇન્ડેક્સ. હાઉ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ ધ ઇન્ડેક્સ? હિયર યુ હેવ a numbers of your attributes. Okay, number for your attribute, so you can directly enter the number. Okay, here you just need to select the format. Okay, based on the format you can apply on it. If you require only time or if you require only date, you can. Okay, so this is the change date format. Click on the OK button. That converts your all the data into the particular format or into the date format. Okay, so this is the one type of the conversion that already we see in a last lecture. Okay, next conversation is a date to numeric. Those all conversation are the special case conversation. Okay, so every time we will not use in all the practicals. Okay, but in some practicals we need. So for that reason, here I am covering all the conversation. Okay, so next one is the date to numeric. If you want to convert your date data into the numeric data, at that time you just need to select your attribute indices. If you want to convert your all the attribute date format into the numeric format, at that time you can select one to last. Okay, one to last, and click on the OK, apply. So it convert automatically your all the data. Okay, it must be the data type date. Okay, so it convert your all the data into the numeric format. Okay, so this is the one type of the conversion. Next is the discretize. If you want to convert your all the numeric value into the range of the numeric value. Okay, if I want to convert my values into between 6 to 10, or if I want to convert my numeric value into the nominal value. Okay, at that time we will use the discretize. This is the, you can say, the most important pre-processing operation, because some algorithm works with only the nominal data. But if you have a numeric data, then how you can apply your algorithm on your numeric data? Okay, so for that we need to convert your numeric data into the nominal data at that time. Okay, so the how to convert your numeric data to the nominal data, there is a one method is called as the binning method. Okay, bin method. Okay, so using the binning method we can convert our numeric data into the nominal data. How to perform the binning operation, that we will discuss in the chapter number 6. Okay, there is you can say the mathematical steps. Based on the mathematical steps, you can convert your data, numeric data, into the nominal data. Okay, but here we have already implemented algorithm, so we do not require to implement the mathematical steps here. Okay, I'm just give you the demonstration. If you want to convert your all the attributes into the nominal format, then you just need to select all the indices, or you can directly select first to last. Okay, the bin range precision means કેટલા precision સુધી જે છે you want to perform the binning operation. If you required only two precision, then it's okay. If you require three precision, means it's based on the point precision. Okay, if you require a three, then you can insert the three. How many beans you want to convert? Beans means your labels. Okay, nominal, in your nominal data we have a different labels like yes and no, or class 1, class 2, class 3 type of all the class labels are there. Okay, so if you want to convert your numeric data into the 10 bins, okay, so it convert your numeric data into the 10 different labels. But if you have a very small data, at that time you can convert into the 3 bins or 4 bins or 5 bins. If you have a very large data set, okay, at that time you can convert into the 10, 20, 30 based on your total data set. Okay, તમારી પાસે ટોટલ કેટલો ડેટા સેટ છે, ટોટલ કેટલા ઇન્સ્ટન્સીસ છે, એના બેઝડ ઉપર you can select the bins. All of you have a different types of the data, so based on your data please choose the bin size. Okay, here I have only 14 instance. If I am converting my 14 instance into the 10 bins, okay, then obviously I'm getting a very large number of bins here. Okay, so I just want to convert my 14 bins into the sorry, uh, I require 3. Okay, I want to convert my 14 instance data into the 3 bins. Okay, so it convert or perform the binning operation on my 14 data and convert into the 3 labels. Okay, so this is the binning operation. Okay, click on the OK button. 1 minute. Now see, your all the data are the numeric format. Okay, sorry, here your temperature data is the numeric format. Please see, your data here it's between 64 to 85. Okay, yeah. Same way your humidity data is also a numeric format. Okay, and it's between 65 to 96. Now I am applying the discretize operation on my data. Now check, your temperature data have a 3 bins, or you can say 3 labels. Okay, and check the type. Your type of the your data is now it's nominal. Previously was numeric, now it is a nominal. Okay, so whenever you want to convert your numeric data into the nominal format, at that time you can use the discretize, because some algorithms we will see which algorithms works with only the nominal data type. Okay, so at that time if you have some numeric data, then how to apply that particular algorithm on your numeric data, at that time you just need to convert your numeric data into the nominal format and then you can apply. Okay, so those are the bins. It's first bin, the range of the first bin it's minus to the 71, second bin range is 71 to 78, and the third bin range is 71 to infinite. Okay, means it's minus infinite to 71, 71 to 78, and 78 to infinite. If you are dividing into the 5 bins, then based on the that algorithm it convert into the 5 bins. Okay, there are the different binning methods are available, equal binning method or boundary binning methods. Okay, but that we will see in the lecture session. Okay, the only the those are the mathematical steps. So I hope now it's clear. Yes, the next most important pre-processing operation is the interquartile range. Okay, interquartile means if you want to find આઉટલાઇનર્સ ફ્રોમ યોર ડેટા સેટ. ઓકે, અમુક વખત તમારો લાર્જ ડેટા સેટ હોય એની અંદર જે છે અમુક વેલ્યુઝ જે છે આઉટલાઇનર હોય. Okay, so if you want to find the outliners from your data set, if I have a temperature between 60 to 80, and by mistake one value is there, it's 150. Okay, so 150 is the outliner, but in a very small data you can easily find. But if you have a very large data, at that time you cannot find those values. Okay, so at that time we can use the interquartile range, find the outliners and the extreme values. Okay, based on your range. Okay, means if your yes, if your data is between 60 to 80 and there is a one value is a 150, then it's automatically find the outliners based on your range. Okay, so if you want to apply on all the indices, you can click on the OK button, apply. Okay, so here you can see one we have two attributes, new two attributes. One is the outliner and one is the extreme values. In the outliner, here what is the meaning of the no and yes? It found how many outliners are there. We don't we currently in this data we don't have any outliners. Okay, in this data currently we don't have any outliners, so no outliner. So 100% is the class label is the no, and any outliners are there? No. It's the yes means it's a zero. Yes means it's outliner present, and the no means no outliners in your data. Okay, so this way you can find the outliners from your data set. So this is the interquartile range. Next is the math expression. Whenever if you want to apply any math expression on particular attribute, at that time you can use the math expression. If you want to apply the mean operation or max operation or minimum operation on your particular attribute, at that time you can use the math expression. So based on the different application and different requirement, you can use the different math expression. Here you just need to provide the expression. Okay, and based on the expression it convert your all the values. Okay, so this is the another pre-processing operation. Okay, I'm giving you the 10 minutes. Please complete all the four pre-processing operations. Start with date to numeric, discretize, interquartile range, and math expression on both the data set. You can perform the conversion either on your student data or labor data. You do not require to perform the conversion operation on both the data set. Okay, so change sorry, date to numeric, it's your conversion operation. You can either apply on a student data set or labor data set. Okay, you do not require to apply on both the data set. This rule only for the conversion pre-processing operation. Okay, so start your uh, task. I'm giving you the 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes I will ask anyone to present your screen. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any error, you can ask me right now. Done, students? Akash, Ayush, Jil, Karan, Kaushik, Meet, Parth, Rusil, Viraj. Hello, students. Done. Hello, Akash, Ayush, Jil, Karan, Meet, Parth, Rusil, Rutvik, Viraj. Done. Hello. Hello. Am I audible or not? Hello. Then please give me the answer. Akash, Ayush, Jil, Karan, Kaushik, Meet, Parth, Rusil, Rutvik. What is the status? Done or not? Hello. Okay, I'm giving you the last 5 minutes. Please do it fast. So in the last one we discussed the math expression. Okay. uh, Next is nominal to binary. Whenever you want to convert your nominal data into the binary, because in the some algorithms you just need to convert your nominal data into the either in a binary format or in a numeric format. At that time, you just need to convert your data into the format to another format. Okay, so this is the one type of the conversion. Next is nominal to string. This is the another type of the conversion. If you want to convert your nominal data into the string, okay, so at that time you can use the nominal to, you just need provide the index number, and based on the index number you can convert your data. So both are the conversion. The next most important pre-processing operation is the normalize. Now, what is the use of the normalize? Whenever you have a data in the scattered format, okay. If I am taking one example, if I have a one data is a 10, and the second instance is a 100, and the third instance is the 1 lakh, okay. 10, 100 and 1 lakh. So whenever I am performing the visualization, at that time you can see that your data is in the scattered format, so I cannot perform the visualization easily. Okay, so that time I need to perform some normalization operation, or you can say the scaling operation. Okay, જો તમને યાદ હોય તો I think in a 9th standard or the 10th standard ની અંદર જે છે તમારે charts આવતા x and y formats ની અંદર. Okay, so at that time whenever you have some very large data, at that time you are converting your data into the some scaling format. Okay, means it's between 0 to 100 or between 0 to 10. Okay, so you are using some type of the scaling, and based on the scaling you are converting your data. Okay, so this is the normalized. This is the you can say very important operation of the data transformation. Whenever you want to transform your data, okay, transform your data into the range, at that time you can use the normalize pre-processing operation. Here you need to give the scale in which scale you want to convert. If you want to convert into the 10 scale, then you can sorry, you can just write down the 10.0 here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the scale. It convert your all the data. Okay, convert your all the data. It's between 0 to 10. Okay, so I'm converting my all the data into the 0 to 10. Now I have original data. Here you can see your temperature data. It's between 64 to 85. Okay, so I'm applying on it. Now you can see your all the data. It's between 0 to 10. Okay, so it perform the normalization, it perform the scaling operation. When you click on the edit button, you can see easily it convert your scaling operation. There are the number of normalization algorithms are available, that how to convert your data into the normalized form. The one algorithm is the z score algorithm, one is the decimal algorithm is there, one is the z score algorithm is there, one is the min max algorithm. Okay, so there are the number of normalized algorithms are available that we will discuss in the lecture session. Okay, whenever we are studying data transformation, at that time we will see, because normalization is the very important in the particular data mining. Okay, because your data is in the scattered format, so whenever you are performing the visualization operation, at that time we cannot easily get the visualize, or we cannot get the easily graphs or the charts format. Okay, so at that time we are converting our data into the normalized form. So there are mainly three algorithms are available for the normalization. One is the z score, one is the min max, and one is the decimal algorithm. Okay, but here we do not require to study those algorithms, because already implemented in your Weka tool. Okay, so this is the normalization. Next is numeric to binary. Whenever you want to convert your numeric data into the binary, at that time you can use the numeric to binary. Those all are the conversion, special type of the conversion. Okay, either you can use on your student data or on a labor data. You do not require to perform the conversion operation on both the data set. Okay, next is numeric to date. Okay, so whenever you want to convert your numeric data into the date format, at that time you can use the numeric to date. Here you just need to provide the date format, in which date format you want to convert your numeric data. Okay, so based on your format, it convert your all the data. Okay, so this is one type of the conversion. Next conversion is numeric to nominal. This is the also important conversion. Whenever if you have a numeric data, and if you want to convert your numeric data into the nominal data, at that time you can use numeric to nominal. For the numeric to nominal, we have two options. First one is the discretization, and the second is numeric to nominal conversion is also there. Okay, so please apply conversion on either your single data set and normalization on your both the data set. Okay, for the normalization we don't have any option. You need to apply on both the data set, and please do not forget to take the screenshot and put all the screenshot in your lab manual. Okay, so please apply, start with the nominal to binary, nominal to string, normalize, numeric to binary, fourth numeric to data, and numeric to nominal. Okay, so I think it's six are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, out of 6 you 5 you can apply on either student data or labor data, and the normalize you need to apply on both the data set. So I am giving you the 15 minutes to complete your task. Okay, if you have any doubt or any error, you can ask me right now. Okay, Kaushik, best of luck. Done, students. Akash, Ayush, Jhil, Karan, Meet, Parth, Rusil. Wait 5 minutes. Done, students? Okay. The next one, pre-processing operation, is the remove that already we discussed in the starting of the pre-processing practical. You can either select your attribute here, or if you want to remove using the pre-processing operation, then you can select from here. Okay. So just remove your particular attribute or your selected attribute. Okay, this is the another pre-processing operation. If you want to remove by the name, okay, if you want to remove by the name, at that time you can select the remove by the name. If you want to, you don't know the type of the attribute, or if you don't know the name of the attribute, and if you want to remove by the name, at that time you can use the remove by the name. If you want to remove all the numeric attributes from your data set, at that time you can use the remove type. Okay, so if you want to remove all the date attributes, or all the string attributes, or all the nominal attributes, or all the numeric attributes, so using the type, removing type, you can easily remove all those attributes from your data set. Okay. Yes, then if you want to remove by the type, if you want to remove any date, uh, means your date attribute or any numeric attribute, then you can select the remove by the type. Okay, so it automatically remove your attribute using your type. uh, Next is the rename attribute. If you want to perform the renaming operation on the attribute, then you can use the rename attribute. Here you just need to found perform the values. Okay, so it's perform the renaming operation on the. The next one is the, yes, the most important is the replace the missing values. Okay, replace the missing values. So on your data set, some value is the missing. Okay, so if you want to re- uh, uh, remove those missing values from your data set, because some algorithms does not work with your missing values, at that time you. Yes, some algorithms does not work with your missing values. At that time, you want to remove so those missing values. So you can use the pre-processing operation. So there are the mainly three types of the pre-processing operations are available to remove your missing values. First one is the replace the missing values. It's by default replace your all the missing values with means value. ઓકે, જે પણ તમારી મીન વેલ્યુ હશે એના થ્રુ જે છે એ બધી રિપ્લેસ જે છે મિસિંગ વેલ્યુઝ કરી નાખશે. ઓકે, આઈ એમ જસ્ટ performing the randomly missing operation on your temperature data. ઓકે, હું ટેમ્પરેચર ડેટા જે છે એ મિસ કરી નાખું. ઓકે, here you can see we have a total two three values are the missing. Okay, I am just missing this also. I'm missing the class label also. Press the OK button. Now you can see we have one missing values in your first attribute, two missing values in your second attribute, one missing value in the last attribute. Okay, The sum algorithm does not work with your missing values. At that time you need to remove those missing values. So this is the first option. Click on the apply. It directly convert all your missing values into the your mean values. Okay, so here now you can see we have a 0% missing value. It automatically remove your missing values with means and modes. Okay, so this is the one way to remove your missing values, replace the missing values. Okay, another way with replace the missing value with a user constant. If you do not require to perform automatically, okay, and if you want to give your values to replace the missing values, at that time you can use the replace missing value with a user constant. You just need to apply on which attribute you want to apply. So you just need to select the attribute indices here. If you want to apply on a first attribute, okay, તમારે ખાલી first attribute નું જે છે એ value જે છે missing values જે છે એ તમારે remove કરવી છે, then you can select the only first here. Okay, if it is the date format, then you just need to provide your data into that particular format, your selected format. If you do not require the time, then you can remove the time, and here it's you just need to sorry, it's okay. So this type of the data you can provide. So જ્યાં પણ તમારા ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ ની અંદર મિસિંગ વેલ્યુઝ હશે ત્યાં જે છે એ આ ફોર્મેટ ની અંદર જે છે એ ડેટ એન્ટર થઈ જશે. Okay, so this is the for the date. This is for the date format. If you have some string values, and if you want to replace your all the string value with like ABC, okay, so you can enter your ABC values here. If you have a numeric replacement, and if you want to remove replace your all the missing values with some user constant, with some user numeric value, I want to enter all the missing values, numeric missing values with a 10. Okay, so it replace all the missing value with a 10. Okay, and ignore the class, we do not require the class. So click on the OK and apply it. So it automatically replace your all the values with your user specified values. Okay, so it's a user constant. Next is the replace with missing values. If you want to enter some missing values in your data set, okay, this is the special purpose. If you have one algorithm with you, and if you want to check the accuracy or the efficiency, or if you want to check your algorithm works with missing values or not, at that time you can use this. It replace automatically some with values with some missing values. Okay, click on the apply button. Here you can see in our outlook one missing values is there. In the temperature it's a one missing values is there. Okay, so how many missing values you want to enter, you need to provide here. Okay, or you just need to provide the probability. Based on the probability, it replaces your all the values with missing values. Okay, so જ્યારે પણ તમારે values generate કરવી હોય, at that time you can use this option. Okay, so I hope now it's clear. So please apply all the starting with remove by name, remove by remove type, replace the missing values, replace the missing value with a user constant, and replace with missing values. Okay, on your both the data set. Total 6 commands are there. Okay, total 6 commands are there. Please apply on both the data set. If you have any doubt or any error, please ask me right now. બે ડેટા સેટ ઉપર જે છે તમારે અપ્લાય કરવાનો છે. આઈ થિંક રિમૂવ ઓપરેશન કમાન્ડ જે છે યુ હેવ ઓલરેડી અપ્લાઈડ એટ ધ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ ઓફ ધીસ practical, so you do not require to apply it. So please apply remove by name, remove by type, replace Missing values, replace the missing value with a user constant, and replace with missing values. Yes, yes. So we do not require to perform the remove command. Yes, yes, sir. I'm giving you the 15 minutes. Okay, I hope now all of you have completed this practical. Okay, now we will see the remaining. Thank you guys for sharing all the today's pre-processing commands. Please, students, verify it. Okay, I hope now my screen is visible. Okay. Next is the standardized. When you want to convert your all the data, all your numeric data with mean zero. Okay, means in a standard format, or if you want to convert your all the data into the Akash, please refer the last lab video. Okay, because I don't have the list of all the commands. I think Hers will share the list with you. Okay, so please contact to the Hers. If you have any doubt or any error, you can contact me. Hers, please guide him. Okay, so standardize. What is the use of the standardize? When you convert your all the attributes with mean zero, or you can say in the standard format. Okay, at that time you can use standardize. It convert your all the value to the mean zero, and it convert your all the variance. Okay, all the variance into the one. Okay, so it's a convert your all the data into the standardized format, means તમારી પાસે ગમે તે ટાઈપનો ડેટા હશે then it convert all the numeric data into convert into the standardized format. Okay, so you just need to uh, apply on it, press the OK button, apply. Okay, now check your all the data with mean zero. Okay, and your standard deviation or the variance is 1. Okay, same way for the humidity, your all the mean is 0. Okay, and your standard deviation is 1. So whenever you want to convert your data into with mean 0 and the standard variance 1, at that time you can use the standardized operation. The next one is string to nominal. Okay, so when if you have a string data, and if you want to convert your string data into the nominal format, at that time you can use string to nominal. Okay, so this is the conversion. So you can apply the conversion at value conversion operation either on your student data or nominal data. Okay, so please apply both the pre-processing operation on your data set. Okay, and the last one is the conversion. Okay, so you can either apply on a student or labor data. I'm giving you the 5 minutes. And that's all for the pre-processing operations. Okay, those all are the pre-processing operations are from unsupervised category. In the supervised category we have a same pre-processing operation, but what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised? In the supervised, whenever you are performing the pre-processing operation, at that time it also perform on your class attribute also. Okay, so that is the biggest difference between supervised and unsupervised. Whenever you want to perform any pre-processing operation on your class attribute, at that time you can use the supervised type of the approach. Whenever you want to perform any pre-processing operation, sorry, you do not want to perform any pre-processing operation on a class attribute, at that time you can use the unsupervised approach. Okay, so in the supervised, you perform Okay, done, students. Akash, Ayush, Jhil, Karan, Meet, Parth, Rusil, Rutvik. Hello. Done, students. Okay. In the next lab, I will check your experiment number 3. Okay, I will check your experiment number 3. All the pre-processing operations that we discussed in the practical number 3, I will check in your next lab. So please uh, be ready with your practical number 3 in the next lab. Okay, I'm taking your attendance. Okay, Harsh, Parth, Rutvik, Meet, Ayush, Jayesh, Romil, Rusil, Neil, Ranjit, Karan, Akash, Kausik. Yes, Karan is okay. Kausik is was also present. Okay. Yes, yes. Ayushi, Shakti, Viraj, Parth. Yes, Smith, you are present. Parth Bhindi, Smith, Vivek, Daisy, Smith. Okay, Parth is present. Okay, Jhil is also present. Yes, Jhil. Okay, bye students. Have a nice day. And please be ready with your practical number 3 in the next lab. Welcomers.